Hey, my name is Tadas, I'm from company FastMX, and today I would like to talk about replacement accumulators for McLarens. As you might know, McLaren uses combined hydraulic system for steering and suspension. This system usually run on CHF 202 hydraulic fluid. These accumulators are usually mounted on top of the shock. When shock absorber compresses, its shock shaft volume has to be displaced in the mean of oil somewhere in the system. So these accumulators play a key role in helping to do that in the suspension. Usually in McLarens there is a bladder type accumulator. That bladder membrane, usually made of rubber, separates oil and nitrogen gas from mixing all together. As you might know, these fail. Usually they fail in 2 or 3 year time. Inside the accumulator there is a bladder or membrane that separates oil and gas. When pressure drops in system, that nitrogen gas helps to push the oil back into the system. Now, what's the main issue with OEM accumulators? They usually burst. That membrane bursts or develops some sort of leak. After some time, pressure in gas side drops. Suspension doesn't feel such responsive. You can have some free play in shock absorbers. The car isn't planted to the ground as it should be. So we have developed replacement accumulators for McLaren shock absorbers. These have upgraded bladders, which should last much longer than OEM. It's a direct fit replacement. Just unscrew your old ones, screw on our new ones, and you are ready to go. While designing our own product, we analyzed what were the failure points of OEM bladders. We have managed to solve some of those problems that OEM bladders have, and we have developed our own bladder that is one-part bladder, because OEM is a two-piece bladder bonded together with some epoxy or something similar to that. This is OEM bladder that it is used in OEM accumulator, and as you can see, it is made from 2 separate parts and it seems to be glued together, and usually it fails in that point where it's glued together. Sometimes we see other failure points. They burst at other locations. This one is really thin. Our replacement is made from one-piece rubber. It's a lot thicker, so probability of it bursting is much lower. Also, this OEM accumulator housing is pressed. It doesn't have tight tolerances. Usually while pressing the top cap, it's crooked at one or other side, so it has different pressure contact points on sides of the bladder. This is also one of the failure points in these bladders. Ours are machined and they are made in very tight tolerances, and the concentricity and every other parameters are held very tight, and this ensures proper sealing around the bladder. Our accumulators are direct replacement for OEM units. You don't have to do any programming to the car. They are up to OEM spec with all the pressures, volumes. You just replace them and you are ready to go. You can order these accumulators by email. I will leave all the contact info at the bottom of the video. I will also add our eBay store link to order these. If you are located in the United States of America, you can contact Sean from Mathematics. He usually has these in stock.